Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is health, career, and finances reading for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of October 2025. We might do this reading again in the mid part of October. Okay, so keep in mind that it's not equal to medical or career advice. It's just energy check, and if it resonates, good. If it doesn't, means it's not for you. Okay, please take it like that. Messages, simple messages, and guidance. Okay. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for the same. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll get the details below for the same. So let's start. Okay, let's start with your health area for Aries people. Let's see. Nowhere I'm stating and or telling you guys that take my advice equal to medical practitioners' advice. Please keep that in mind, guys. A lot of people get so influenced by readings that they don't do the real work that they should. And I hope these readings give you the proper insight. Okay, let's see. For the health, we have the Six of Cups. So, honey, you are going to keep yourself stuck in the past where you used to be very healthy, very energetic. Something used to work out in the past very beautifully. And now you're missing those days where you used to be very healthy, having a proper diet plan, having a proper physique. You're missing your old good days when it comes to your health, right? And you're planning to start something. Just give me a second. So you might be feeling like you should start doing something that you used to do in the past, and you should be back in shape or back on track when it comes to your health. Okay, so you might be feeling this urge and this desire to go back to something that used to work out for you very beautifully, and or the physique that you had, the health that you had. Now you are kind of determined to get it back on track. Let's see the guidance for you guys. King of Cups. See, your emotions should be in check. Your emotional health is also having a direct impact on your physical health, honey. So, the more you are going to keep your emotional health in check, your emotion and stress level in check, you will be able to retain the health. Not completely, of course, you have to work on that, but keep a check on your emotional and stress level as well. Keep yourself happy, keep yourself calm and peaceful, and you will be able to sort out a lot of issues that you are having in your health area just by keeping your emotions and stress level in check. You will be able to manage things really beautifully. This is for the health. Let's see for those of you who are doing job or working for others, how it is going to be for you guys, Aries. We have the Two of Wands. So, Aries, you are waiting for some kind of good news, some kind of promotion, salary hike, or growth for some of you. Even if you are working in this company or whatever it is, you are hoping for some kind of message, communication, or good news from some kind of foreign land or some other company, maybe. So this is the energy of waiting for some kind of good news, documentation, promotion, or salary hike kind of thing to happen, because you're feeling not stuck in this job, to be honest with you, but Aries, you feel like this is time for you to move forward. Yeah, so you're waiting for some kind of news to come in. Okay, and you might be keeping other options open for your job thing, career thing, because you might be feeling like, what if you are not going to get the kind of progress that you want in your career area. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys in this department. Page of Swords. See, This is the need of the hour for you guys, Aries. You guys have to add some kind of new skills. You guys have to upgrade some kind of skills. You might be having the skills, of course, you might be having the experience, but now it's time for you to upgrade your skills or to learn something totally new, to start some kind of online courses or degree or something. If you were looking for a sign to do a course or to apply for a course or to start studying again or not, this is your sign, Aries. You should start studying again. You, if you can manage, if you can do it with all of your heart and soul, definitely you should go for this learning a new skill kind of a thing and keep moving forward, because this is going to help you a lot in having good progress in your career thing. So start adding new skills in your resume and learn them properly. It's not like just adding it on paper. Okay, do it honestly. That's what I'm getting for you guys as the advice for your job thing. Let's see, for those of you who are self-employed or business people, how it is going to be for you guys. Five of Pentacles. So this is a card of not feeling good about your business thing. It's not giving you that much progress or that much happiness the way you have envisioned about your business thing. Certain kind of, you might be going through certain kind of losses, when it comes to this self employment or business thing. Might be feeling like things are not working out and you might be feeling a little bit stuck. hmm It's temporary because it's Five of Pentacles. It's a minor arcana. So this is kind of a temporary thing that you're feeling right now in your business thing. You will be able to recover it, but it's going to take some more time. Okay. So it's like, I don't see major losses happening that you will not be able to recover or you are going to have major issues. But I do see you not feeling positive or good about your business and you are focused on the lack right now. And that's why you're attracting more lack in your business. Try to focus on the positives, honey. Let's see the guidance for you guys for business people or self-employed people. We have the Ace of Wands. This is kind of a blessing in disguise for you guys. Maybe this is time for you to grab new opportunity or start a new business, or you are having a new business idea that might not take that much of financial things from your side. If you have a brand new idea, if you have a brand new opportunity to start or restart something that used to work out for you really beautifully, or you know that this is definitely going to work out, uh, this is the time for you to start or restart something. See, Aries, your intuition is telling you very, very strongly about your business thing. From the last 5 to 6 months, you are intuitively feeling that you should start doing something side by side, a side hustle, maybe another business, okay? Uh, or you have idea where you don't have to put so much of money kind of investment kind of things in that idea, so you can start doing that also. You can have a look in that direction also. Instead of focusing on what you have lost, try to focus on what you can create now, what you can do now, right? Don't be so much in this energy of feeling lost. Whatever is done is done. It is, we cannot change it, but we can definitely create opportunities. So let's say, for example, somebody is coming forward towards you with some kind of collaboration or partnership opportunity. You can look for that. You can think about it. Don't be in any kind of rush or hurry. Okay, just take your time, but you can give it a thought properly and honestly, and you can move forward if your intuition is telling you to. Okay. Let's see, for those of you who are seeking for a new job or starting a business or restarting or whatever is applicable, new job seekers or new business people, starting or restarting. Let's see how it is going to be for you guys. Six of Wands. Okay, so there are very, very good chances that you will be successfully grabbing a new job opportunity, and or a new business opportunity by your sheer self confidence. Your confidence is going to be attractive, and people are going to get attracted by the way you are going to present yourself, your charisma, your confidence, your the way you are going to present yourself, the way you are going to talk, the way you are going to give the interviews. So basically your self confidence is going to make you grab a very good opportunity, whether it's in your job or career thing or in your business thing. This is a very good time for you to use your natural charm. Don't be overconfident, don't be underconfident, be natural, be calm, and keep moving forward. Do whatever you can do from best from your side. There are very high chances of you grabbing a good opportunity by the end of this month. Especially 6th of October onwards, things are going to shift a lot for you guys. Okay? Job seekers, or whether it's like a new job thing or finding another job while you're on another one, and or starting or restarting a business thing, good, very good energies of success and victory. Let's see the guidance for you guys. Emperor, see, you don't have to sacrifice too much or compromise too much when it comes to this opportunity. If this is something that's not aligning with your values, your work values, your work ethics, or your long term plan or long term goals, you should definitely negotiate with them properly and honestly. You should let them know what your preferences are. Okay, if this is one of those situations where you cannot have the preference thing, try to be firm, try to be as much grounded about the situation, meaning do not let your do not how to explain this thing to you guys, Aries. This is your card only. Sit in your power, but be calm and peaceful. And let them know what you can do and what you cannot do honestly. Don't fake it. Don't think like, let's fake it until I make it. No, that's not going to work out in this scenario. You guys have to be prepared fully if you are going to go all in, and be honest, be loyal. And if this is not what you want or this is not aligning with your values, you can firmly say no also, and you can move forward towards better opportunities in the coming future. But do not lose your dignity and self respect while trying to make others happy or trying to grab a job just for the sake of it, because you are not going to like it afterwards, and it's going to be a burdensome energy afterwards. That you guys have to keep in mind. Let's see for your finances what we have for this month. Aries. Tower. So, sudden unexpected changes are going to be there in your finances. Don't be scared by the tower thing. Don't be scared. Lot of people, oh, I get scared of your readings. Whenever I get the reading, I get scared. Stop watching me, honey. If my readings are scaring you, then stop watching it. It means I'm implementing pain in you or something like that. Don't do that. If my readings are giving you just a clear cut answer, just a clear cut energy and focus, then it's good for you. Okay. If I'm making you anxious, depressed, sad, suicidal, or I'm making you like feeling hurt or triggered and you can't take it, don't watch my videos. I'm telling you myself. So the tower is sudden unexpected expenses that you might have to spend on something important, very, very important, but it's going to be sudden and unexpected. Let me see the guidance for you guys. We will see more about it, get more information about it. So we have the 10 of cups. Take help from your family. If you're struggling in your finances, take help from your family. Someone from your family is going to be there for you, who is genuinely interested in helping you and taking care of your financial things while you're struggling. So maybe for some kind of family emergency or maybe a celebration thing is going to be there where you have to use your finances. So instead of doing all the things yourself, try to take help from somebody who can help you right now. Maybe later on you guys can sort it out with each other on the financial level. So this is what I'm getting for you guys for this month. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.